drill in a little bit on blockchain. So you said earlier it can create trust, I think, or to paraphrase. Can you maybe elaborate on what you see as positive on blockchain?
Well, I think, again, the idea of blockchain, that it's in the public, that is transparency, creates accountability. Just that concept alone, in that instead of having one person that you imbue with all of that trust, you have everybody in the world watching that to increase the level of trust. So the fundamental ideas of blockchain are great. The actual implementation of that today has a lot to desire.
Yeah, that's sort of where, I mean, great technology or great technology idea that can be implemented in fantastic ways now. What I'm struggling to get over is, you have to have kind of the center of gravity, either collectively or by a trusted source, to build that trust. And it just seems like we're having trouble with the economy nailing that use case to make blockchain come to life.
Right, and I think, again, people still are trying to own it.
Yeah.
They're trying to, and they don't see the network and the systemic benefits of having a platform where everybody kind of gives up their, quote, ownership of this, and you can see so much more benefit to it. So I'm hoping, like world peace, that saner minds prevail, because it is so valuable. I think in many ways, the people who might actually come up with this are the customers, potentially. They will set the standards, potentially.
I don't know if I quite said it as far difficult as world peace, but yeah, there is this sort of interesting chicken and the egg problem, if you will, that, you have this great trusted source, but in a way you need to relinquish control. You can have no center of gravity, or work much better if there's no center of gravity. It's the community that builds the trust, and just kind of that spark, I think, is what's missing, like something to kind of set it in motion. And then, who knows, I think it will take off. But struggling for use cases right now, I agree with you, sort of frustratingly so.
I think one place that's interesting is around healthcare. Because a healthcare medical
for
record,
records, you mean? Yes,
for medical
exactly.
records, who owns that?
Yeah.
So if you think about it from a patient point of view, I do. So if a standard could be evolved where it's a patient actually owns that blockchain, and you have a network of people, the medical institutions are going to have to play with that.
Right. Again, huge trust, particularly on that data, because of sensitivity to privacy and what can be done with the data, but hugely beneficial. So, great. Thank you very much.